Hi, I am Barnabás Őri, the author of the 3R Garden, and I would like to introduce to you this book in a few words. So as you can see, the book has a really nice hardcover and it contains nearly 150 color photos, courtesy of my talented friend Ákos Rúzs Molnár. Let's take a look at the content, which is divided into two main parts. The first part is specifically about the design and the planning of the garden, laying out the beds, irrigation, construction of the greenhouse and the nursery, composting and making a crop plan. This section is therefore about the basics, which are essential for successful gardening. In the second part, I present the most important work processes in the organic garden and how to perform them efficiently. These include the preparation of the beds, sowing and planting, weed management and plant protection. Last but not least, I present the cultivation of more than 50 types of vegetables and herbs so that you can get a complete picture of self-sufficient organic gardening. There are also several useful appendices at the end, which will all be helpful during planning, such as the plant list or the sample sowing plan. Among the appendices, I would like to highlight my 2021 harvest diary, which details exactly how many vegetables I produced in my 3R garden that season. This book is ideal for those who have been gardening for several years but would like to garden more efficiently and effectively, as well as those who are just planning to get into gardening and want to acquire the essential knowledge for successful organic gardening. If this sounds like you or someone you know, then I invite you to order your copy from our website. Happy gardening!